Yeah.
How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Hack Spot. Now today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make and build your own website. You'll be amazed just how easy and simple it can be with this one website. You can use a website to build a websiteception. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, now what we're going to be using is a website called Wix.com. I'll put a link down below in the description. And yeah, so here we are on my computer, and by the way, hope you guys are loving this wallpaper. Okay, it's cool, it's awesome, don't judge me. Alright, it's freaking cool, okay? But anyways, what you want to do is open up your browser, head over to the link that'll be down below inside the description. I'll bring you to Wix.com again, and here we're going to be creating our website. So it's very, very simple. So go ahead and click on create your website, but let's go ahead and just scroll down a little bit. It says it's that easy, and it says we're here to help, get inspired. They're just so easy to make a website nowadays, guys, and this is one of the options that you have, and it's a great website to build a website. So you can go to create an account. You can use Facebook if you want to. Just use an email and password. That is all you need. And once you go and do that, you can go and select what kind of website you want to make. So I'm choosing a business website, but you can choose online store, photography, music, designer, whatever you want. It'll be there. I'm gonna choose business, and from here you can create your website using ADI, which is artificial design intelligence. I don't know what this means, but I just found out like as I'm making this video. So yeah, if you hover our mouse over this, you guys can see that has like a little cool animation. And if I hover my mouse over this way, you guys can see that we could like edit the text, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna choose this one right here on the left. Let's see what we could do with this. What kind of business do you want to create a website for? I'm just gonna go ahead and skip this, but you could select one of these if you want to, or you can just type it in like that. But let's go ahead and hit skip. Oh, okay, all right, look at the animation. So does your website need any of the following features? Sell online, take a bookings and appointment. A bookings? No, just bookings. Okay, call. Okay, I can't speak again. Get subscribers. Oh, okay, I need to do that. All right, this is gonna be a great website. We're gonna make one for the channel, and yeah, this is going to be awesome. So, all right, what is the name of your website or business? The Hack Spout. There we go. All right, let's go and click on next, and let's go and just proceed with making the website. Now you guys can see just how simple it is to make a website. Where is a business located? I don't really have a location, so I'm just gonna skip, and let's go ahead and just go on with this. So we can go ahead and add a logo. So I'm gonna add my logo real quick. All right, and there is my logo. Let's go ahead and just choose it, and let's see how this looks. It's gonna fit the circle perfectly. Wow, that looks amazing. All right, so anyways, let's go and type in our email. So I'm just gonna do my regular email for my channel, and let's go and choose an address. Or actually, I don't think we need that, but let's go and add some social media. So here I am on my Twitter. Let's go and copy the link to this and just post this right here. So there we go. Let's go and hit next, and look at this. Look, got like a Jimmy Neutron thing going on. Hello, I'm ADI, Wix Artificial Intelligence. Okay, let's go ahead and hit start. Help me learn your taste. Guys, it's just so easy to make a website. I can't stress that enough. So I can choose clean, elegant, skyscraper. Oh, I like that one. Okay, I'm probably gonna do elegant or skyscraper. Okay, let's just do elegant. I like that one. Continue. Now I'm going to create your home page. So we're going to start preparing, and you really don't have to do anything. All you do is choose the design, and that is basically it. Create my home page, and look at this, guys. We can add a section right here. Okay, that's so simple to use. But anyways, okay, so building your home page. So all we have to do is just drag and drop to the section right here. Let's go and just do, for example, it's going through everything. So it's on the subscribe tab now, and you guys can see that's choosing stuff for us and loading the future. So there we go, and this is the design so far. Look at this. I didn't really do anything, and we already have a website basically completed. Here it is, the first version of your homepage. Keep going, and let's go ahead and hit this button right here. Preview your site. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like right now, and we got a preview button right there. So let's go and scroll down. Oh my gosh, this is so professional. And there's so many different like ways to design a website, so it won't be very generic, and you don't have to know any coding at all. This website right here, I could tell you guys, would require a lot of coding. There's just like a bunch of small details, like even this copyright thing right here. But with this, again, you don't have to know any coding. You could just not know anything about coding like that, and you can just make it. So there's a subscribe button, contact, home. Oh wow, this is amazing. So I'm done with the preview. Oh, we can also view on mobile. Oh, okay. No way. This is so cool. It shows you exactly what it's gonna look like on mobile too. So it automatically optimizes it and shows you what it's gonna look like. Wow, I'm blown away. So change website design. Let's go ahead and do that part now. And let's say do it. Okay, actually, let's do it for me. Okay, let's click right there. Okay, and it's gonna choose for us. Okay, just okay, so all you did, okay, I could have done that myself. And boom, that is it. Let's go and try another one. I don't really like that one that much. Let's go and go back to design panel. And let's go ahead and choose a different one. Let's do Yeah, that one. Okay, let's try that. This one looks pretty cool too. Wow, this one looks very elegant, but too elegant for my taste. Let's go ahead and try another. So let's click on right here ourselves, click on customize, and we could choose whatever we want. So let's do the color palette, this right here to edit it. Got it. So click on main color up at the top. You can choose main color. So let's say I want, okay, first I want my main color to be kind of this peach color. I'm gonna do a secondary color to this blue. I thought it would look very cool. So let's do that. So that's what that looks like. And then it gives you some palettes. So you guys can see what colors go good together, and it picks that out for you too. So, oh, that teal color actually looks pretty cool. Let's go and try this. Yes, looks great. Okay, so there we go. You guys can see our website is coming together pretty well. We got that teal color right there. Let's go ahead and go further. Let's hit that play button again, and it basically just brings you step by step everything that you need to do. Oh, now we're gonna switch up the fonts. So let's go ahead and just show me how. And we're not gonna let them do it for us now. We're pros. This is so easy. Okay, so anyways, let's go ahead and choose a font. So all right. So there's Black Eyes. I don't know there's a font called that. So I think let's do Delight. I like Delight. Okay, that's cool. I like that font. Let's go and keep it. And again, let's go to the next step. Add animation to your site. You can even add animations. Wix is the best, guys. All right, this is a sponsored video, but as I'm going through this, wow, I'm just blown away by how easy it is. Okay, let's go and choose animation. Fade, float, fly. Let's go and see fly. Okay, so let's go and preview our animation, see what it looks like. Click on the preview on the top right there. You guys know what's up. All right, let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Okay, that's cool. That's pretty cool. But I'm gonna try another one. Let's go and go back over here, and let's choose fold. So again, click on preview to basically preview it. Wow, I'm amazing at this. All right, so, and look at this, guys. I just saw this, but even like the little paper on this like bread is moving. So that looks so cool. It's the small details that really matter and like make a website pop. So I do like that a lot. So now what are we doing? We're selecting this layout. Okay, let's go and do that. All right. Show me how. Pick a section. So let's go ahead and just choose I don't know, this section right here. All right, let's go to designs and choose a different layout for this. It's very easy to switch. You guys could see that right here. Let's go and just choose this one, for example, and boom, there it is. Okay, so let's go and keep it. Edit section or content, like in the paragraphs and stuff. So again, let's go and select a section. I'm gonna do this one right here. Edit. Got it. When you're editing, click below. Okay, so just going to pause this for a second. I can just click on it, and you guys can see that pops right here. And I can just go ahead and erase this, type in exactly what I want. So let's just do, hi, my name. Okay, 1 second. I can't type. Name is, okay, there we go. Let's put an enter there. All right, is the hack spout. I make videos on YouTube. All right. But you guys get the gist right here. It's very easy to edit this stuff right here. You can edit the title, the subtitle. So let's edit the title. We can even give it bold real quick. So let's just do the hack spot, all caps, and let's make it bold. There you go. Also italic. There we go. All right. So italic right there. So again, very simple. Let's see what we got to do next. Add a new page. Okay, so these tabs right here, we can go and add pages very easily, make links. So I've arranged all possible pages by relevance for your type of business. Choose a page you want, click a layout, and I'll add it to your website. Let's just do, I like that one of the skyscraper. Okay, but yeah, if you're actually serious about making a website right now, again, this will be super simple. You'll spend more time than I am, but again, it will be very simple. You can just make exactly how you want it, with no coding at all. There it is. So now let's go and publish our site. So once the site is published, people can see it online. Share your site to the world, click here to publish. Now this is the cool part. You can make a website for free using a free Wix.com domain. So I can name this, for example, this would be the hack. Oh, actually, I'm just gonna do THS. How about that? Oh, 4 to 20 characters. Okay, let's just do the Hackspot then. Hackspot. So this would be the website, thehackspot.wixsite.com/thehackspot. So let's go ahead and hit publish and continue. Congratulations, and that is it, guys. Your site is published and live online. What's next? Connect your own branded domain, and let's go ahead and hit done. So let's click up top over here where it says domain, and we could choose a domain name. And here are the plans. So it's $40 unlimited for a month, or $17 for a month for e-commerce, but this is the one that is the most popular, and it basically everything right here. But yeah, let's go back. And let's go ahead and improve search engine ranking too. You guys can do that. So once you make a website, of course, you want people to view the website. That is very important. So they actually allow you ways to like increase your ranking on search engines. So you can basically get your website viewed. Just click on settings, page SEO. Good SEO helps people find you on search engines like Google. Choose relevant keywords, including your business name, location, and services. To learn more, click here. Got it. So you can add keywords right here so people can find your website. So for example, mine would be the hack spot. I could also do the hack spot. People spell it like that too. Or sometimes people spell it like this, the hack spot, because I know the J in Spanish is pronounced as an H, so I could put that in. Let's just type in iOS hacks, Android hacks, even though I've done Android hacks in a while. So there you go, easy, the Hackbot official website. And we are done. So you guys can see that the only pages I have right now are home and about. I couldn't add a page by simply clicking on add page right there. And it's just so easy to add more pages. So I can add a contact page, and there it is. So it's fully functional. Let's go back to the preview to see what it would look like. And you don't have to do any type of coding again. That's the best part. So there you go. It is saved at the top, as you guys can see right here. You can make your own website very easily. It's just, oh my god, it's the best. So yeah, guys, that is how to build and create your own website without knowing any coding at all. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Again, the link to Wix.com will be down below inside the description. Be sure to hit that like button and be sure to get subscribed for tons more content. My name is the Hackspot. I'll catch you guys real soon in my next video. Peace out.